Hi guys, it's Deneice, and I have, I believe it's a couple of supply orders that came in. I don't know if this is soap or if it's, I don't know, it sounds more like supplies to me. If it's soap, I probably pretty much beat it up already. But I'm trying to remember what I ordered on Etsy that required for soaping. I'm not sure. As soon as I open it, I'll probably remember. I've got several orders out, so it's kind of like, it could be anybody's guess today. So, oh, okay. Now that I saw this little piece right here, I know what it is. These are, which I love ordering these. These are my little 1 ounce cups for, let me show you, my little 1 ounce cups for wax melts. They're great little cups, and it's a great way to make little sampler kits. You just take and you marry the two once you fill it up and it's done gotten hard. I mean, they're great and they're cute little 1 ounce cups. Okay, I remember that now because I am starting to get my Valentine's stuff in order. They sent me a Tootsie Pop. I'm trying to get my Valentine's stuff in order, and she usually sends a handwritten note. Each time I've gotten something, it's always been personalized with my name on it, and just asking for the reviews, which I believe I've left a review because I've ordered these before. Very nice. I don't remember getting these. I'm a paper crafter and I love die cutouts. Look at these. I've never gotten these before. There's a couple more still in there. Be thankful. There's little pumpkins. Oh, these are going to be so cute for like little pocket letters. Look at that. Full belly, thankful heart. Oh, these would be cute. Awesome. Sorry guys, I have a little bit of the sniffles. I don't know if it's allergies or irritation where I've not been well. Let me make sure I got this information right. It's just my invoice. That was 2. Okay, yeah, there's 2 30-count lids and bases, and between shipping and everything else, it was $38.50. So very nice. I can actually make a sampler kit of my wax melts, or even some little sampler kits of sugar scrubs, and these are great for samples. Fabulous. Okay, let's move that one out of the way. Let's see, I think this, it didn't have the name of it, but it's from Ohio, and if I'm not mistaken, Ohio is wholesale supply, I think. If it's wholesale supply, it's probably my bottles and stuff. Let's see. Yes, that's what it is. Okay. This is for my creamy goat milk body wash recipe kit that I've got. I've been looking to figure out how to make my regular body wash right because I can't, and I figured if one of these could actually help guide me into figuring out my regular body wash, then this is going to be worth the money to buy a kit. And if not, if I can't get my recipe right, at least there's going to be a decent product for customers. This one is the coconut milk body wash. And these are 8-ounce bottles with lids. Normally they have the lids in a separate bag. I don't know if I like having, just simply for convenience sake, I would probably lose these lids. I'm going to have to put them in a separate bag. But normally they have my lids in a separate container. So there's that one. And here are some more. Very nice size bottles. But they put the lids in there again. Let's see. I've got liquid suspension. Let's see. We have coconut oil melt and some more liquid suspension. And that is like frozen solid. You can tell it's finally getting cold. There's goat milk powder and coconut milk powder. There's salt flour, vanilla stabilizer, bubble up, bubble wash thickener, and that kind of stuff. So hopefully these little things will help me figure out what's going on with my recipe. Let me grab my pen. Where did I put my pen? I just had my pen. Alright, let's see if I can do this without my pen. The coconut kit. Got that. Goat milk kit. The recipe. The suspension, the bottles. Sorry guys, just bear with me a moment. I'm reading to make sure I've got everything. The gallon, coconut milk powder, vanilla stabilizer, the goat milk powder, the bottles and lids, and then this is more of that, and let's see, go to the other page. These are some fragrance oils. This one is coconut milk fragrance oil. Let's smell this one. I wanted to smell this one. Oh, that smells good. I really like that one. It's a little sweet, but it smells just like coconuts. And then this one is rice flour shea butter fragrance oil. That's a nice clean scent. It's almost like a spa scent. Just light. Oh, very nice. I'm glad I did get a 4 ounce in that one. Awesome. All right, guys, that is it. And I will be bringing you guys back. I have a couple of more orders coming in, so I will wait and do a full video on that one as well. I figured it would keep you from being bored with me just doing separate unboxings on certain things. I will continue doing separate unboxings for like the mystery boxes and that kind of thing, and probably just for the BeScented as well, simply because I love my BeScented. So Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day. God bless. Good morning, everyone. This is Deneice with Simply Loved Soaps, and I have an Amazon Supplie boxing to open up, or I believe it is. You know how when you place a large order with Amazon, it'll come in like 3 different deliveries, but I'm hoping these are my Pyrex glasses because I broke mine the other day. I was making salves and I broke mine, and I really need to mix a couple of other different salves. One of the main ones I need to make is my black salve. So let's see what we have. Oh, these are the dry packs. Our safe was smelling a little funny, so we ordered some dry packs for our safe. Ooh, let's see. Box within a box. So what is that? Move that box out of the way. I think this is my box because it's quite heavy. Oh, this says it right there. Third. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's quite early and I have not had coffee yet. These are my Pyrex bowls. Yay! So I may be making some black salve today. So it was a 4-piece set, and I got like 4 pieces of Pyrex for like $22, something like that. So I needed a big Pyrex. I broke my medium-sized Pyrex the other day when I was making salves. Now you got to realize Pyrex is very durable. I originally got the one that I broke when I got married, which that was in February, would have been 18 years. So kudos to Pyrex for making an awesome set. So that's what that is. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. God bless. Hi guys, this is Deneice with Simply Loved Soaps, and I got some more supplies in. I've got one from Nature's Chapter, which I think this is where I bought something for my salves that Mountain Rose did not have. So I think that's what this is. I'm not 100% certain, but I'll find out. And this big box is stuff from BeScented. Now I have several orders out with BeScented, so I'm not sure if she's just combined them together or if this is one particular order or if it's, you know, a little bit of everything. So with that said, let's start with the little one first. I think this is a herb for the salves. Yes, okay. It's comfrey. That's for my regular salve and for my black salve. Okay, so that is that one. Let's see what's in BeScented. This is a pretty big box, so I'm just going to try to drop the stuff down in this lower area. Let's see if I could get it open. Actually, I think this is just one of them. Yeah, this is just one of the orders. I'll grab my pen. I was needing some more stuff. Alrighty, we have this is my wax. So that's 1 10-pound. So there's probably another one. Yeah. My second 10-pound, so that's 20 pounds of Parasoy. Let's see. I'm going to try these smaller, they're diamond molds. This one is a 2-pound. They're very nice. Very nice. So I have 2 of those. So that is there. Then I've got a 5-pound mold, which is their tall and skinny diamond mold, or skinny diamond. I received one in the, I want to say it was October's mystery box, and I really liked it. So I went and got a second one. Let's see. I just got a bunch of clamshells. Like this. It's for some wax. I think there was 30, let's see, where's that? Quantity 32. Okay. And then there's warning labels. A Velcro for the large, where's it at? Diamond Velcro for the large mold. And I got some more wicks for my candles. And then these are the freebies, which is colloidal oatmeal, matte white pigment, and white kaolin clay. And she always writes thank you on her invoices. So awesome sauce on that. I need to find something to put these clamshells in, but they're nice, they're deep. I like these clamshells. They snap down, just really nice. So, and that one is that one. So guys, I think this is probably going to be the last video that I'm going to add for this month's supply haul video, and then I'm just going to start over with whatever else that comes through. And also I'm expecting a mystery box coming in, so pretty soon there's going to be a mystery box video. There's going to be the video for how I make my cough syrup, and there's also going to be a couple of remake videos, and then soon I will be starting on my Valentine's soaps. So I got a lot planned. And also guys, there's going to be a video coming up. I have reached 300 followers on Instagram, so I'm going to do a giveaway. It's going to be an Instagram and YouTube giveaway, and I'm going to put a video up about it, and it's probably going to be about a week running or 2 weeks running, and then I will do a comment picker. So keep an eye out for that video as well. So it may actually come up before this one does. So keep your eyes out, guys. Thank you so much. I really enjoy you guys. Y'all have a blessed day and be well.